Hey guys, it's Jamie. Welcome to the vlog. Today I am going to be doing a review on the e.l.f. California eyeshadow palette. It's really nice. I got it like 2 weeks ago and I used the shadows probably twice in the recent. I don't wear shadows like super often. I used to use a lot of the Maybelline nudes, but they are not cruelty free. e.l.f. is cruelty free. So I got the palette and everything, and it's pretty cheap. Like, I have it pulled up on my phone. I think it's like $10 at Target. And I'm wearing some of the shades right now. As you can probably tell, I'm wearing this color right here in my, as the crease transition-y color, and then I have this in my outer corner, and I have this a little bit in the, what's it called? Like this area, but I'm wearing a Priya discontinued shadow in the pinky area of my eye, so yeah. But basically, this palette, even though, my first impression of it when I started using it, I'll show you, I'm just gonna, swirl the brush around, but it's not super pigmented at all. It's really, very not pigmented, and that's one of the darker shades. So I figured, even though I haven't tried this yet, I was gonna wet a brush and try it on camera, and it's a little bit more pigmented when you do that, but you really do have to use a lot. You have to use a lot of color. You have to use a lot of product just to get even the slightest amount. To do this look today, I swear I swirled it around a billion times. I like a lot of the shimmery shades, and I really like the shades. They're all very shimmery. There are no mattes in here, which you kind of know when you look at it, but I'm not used to a lot of shimmery shades. I use a lot of matte products in general. So it was nice to kind of play around with it and everything. One thing that I really dislike about this palette, as you can probably see, all of the shadows are raised. I don't know how to properly show you. Yeah, they're raised. They're little bubbles. And I found that it was kind of hard to to get product out without getting it all over the other shadows. It might just be me, I might just be really picky, but that's, my preference is to use flat pans for a palette. I don't know, but it's nice, and I feel like it's worth $10. I really would like to invest soon in getting the Venus too, because I really like the mustardy shade, but for now, I think I'm gonna keep using it. It's not terrible. It just takes a lot to get the it takes a lot to get the shadows out. Also the bubbly raised shape of the shadows, I'm not a fan of, but maybe it'll dwindle down when I keep using it more. But yeah, that's all I really have to say about the e.l.f. California shadows. So I'll see you next time.